Morning guys, June 26, 2023. Well, here I got a call from a guy. He said I was there last year, changed a couple of condensers, but I don't think so. I might have changed a capacitor or something, or put gas in a unit, but anyway, he's saying that he's having a problem with not getting AC this year. Or it's not working the way it should, or something like that, so. He says I was there changing condensers last year. I don't think so. We'll have to go by and see what he's talking about. I think I remember the guy. I think it might have been an issue with, went over there and checked the charge or changed filters or, I don't know. But we're gonna go over there and give it the once over and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. At this time, one foot in front of the other, I would say. Don't rush to judgment on any of this stuff. Because the unit was working good last year, don't mean it's going to be working this year. Got this old stuff you're working on, and it's like, we'll get it working for now, and let's see how long it lasts. No guarantees in this world. Yeah, it's a Goodman. So I'm gonna get a shovel so I can scrape some of that shit out of here. It's a Goodman. It's probably a flipping. Looks pretty tall, man. Oh, wow. It's a 22 unit, I think. Yeah, 22. It's a 5-ton. Wow. Big unit. It's quite the unit. Let's see what's going on with it. She said she changed the filter a couple of weeks ago. It was really bad. Was here a couple of, I think I was here last year and changed the capacitor or something. Yeah. I did change the capacitor. Looks like the wire's fried there. See it?
Uh-oh.
I see what the problem is. Looks like a burnt wire.
Oh, really?
See this right here? This wire?
Oh, yeah.
See, it was burnt?
Yeah.
Right on that capacitor.
How did that happen?
There's another one burnt here too, no?
I turned it on.
That's for the compressor, I think. Let's see.
Here, want me to get this stuff out of your way? I got the shovel. Or you're not going to need it.
I don't think I'm going to need it. Well, we got the shovel. Let's just get this shit the hell out of here. Days of working like an animal are over.
I don't believe you.
Try to work like a human being here. Alright, so what do we got here? I don't know why
I turned it on Saturday when I went to the market.
I don't know why I have two capacitors in there. Must have been a reason for it. This one here is a 30.
Because the one that you had in the truck was less voltage, power, amperage, so you used two together. I kind of remember that. Maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. But it blew out cold air at first.
Yeah, so it was a 60. It was a 60, and I didn't have a 60, so I had two 30s. It's a 60 by 5.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if I got the proper one in there.
Okay.
If not, that black, see that black? So yeah, see, it's all kind of fried.
Yeah.
60 by 5. Let me see if I got one.
Okay.
These guys are kind of parking the street. Can I go out this way or no?
Oh yes, sir. Go ahead.
Yeah, I like the brick on the house. This is nice.
Thank you.
It's like the Three Little Pigs.
Yeah.
No?
It's the exact house I grew up in Chicago at.
Like the three little pigs.
Yeah.
Huh? Alright, see if I got a 60-5. I should, hopefully. Change it. That one's all compromised now. It's all been wimped out. I think this red one is that's an 80. I do have a 55.5. We could use that one if we had to. $67.5. 80s. I didn't have the right one in the truck last time I was here. Probably use this one. Close enough for this neighborhood. Kind of an odd size, a 60. That's kind of an odd size. Yeah, I don't really see a lot of those. This is a 40, 45. Yeah, we'll have to go with the 55.
Yeah.
Alright. There's the common. This is the common.
What's Steve up to today?
He's busy.
I see. I didn't know he had somebody to work for them.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I work for myself.
I'm sorry.
It's the same guy, no?
You are, Steve.
You got a good memory, but it's short. Huh?
Yeah. Thanks, Steve.
Well, that's true, huh?
That was a good one. Yes, it is true.
Okay, everybody's making fun of Ken.
Why not, right?
Yeah.
That's common.
What else are we there?
Well, this is common. That's the common. Remember, I'm the guy that took care of you last year. You don't remember?
We remember that.
Very good, Steve.
Yeah, you remember now.
We
You had
remember
to
that.
do something with the capacitors. I got confused with the condenser.
Yeah, all right. And then we go with the fan, which is... I didn't have the proper one, so I had to
That's
bloody
all
it
right.
up.
It lasted the rest of the summer. We were fine by
this
that.
is fan. This is the fan, the brown. I gotta make sure that's tight.
Teddy.
What's up with the dog?
He's 18 months old.
Oh, he's still a puppy, huh?
Yeah, that's what's up with the dog.
Alright, so that's the fan. Nothing wrong with a dog.
No.
And then the yellow is the condenser, the Herm. Which we could do that, no problem. And all the rest of this was just jumped out because I didn't have the right one. It was just a square size, you know?
Yeah.
It's normal these days. Gotta get the, yeah. So we had the 5, and then I didn't have a 60, so I went with the 230s.
I remember.
See, but it heated up.
Ah.
Like the. Let's put this one in there. So.
That's weird that it would work for the rest of the summer, and then this year, that's it.
Well, you know what happens is. You ever hear this same shit happens?
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah. It's just. It is what it is, I was just saying. And
yeah.
I'll do what I can. Try to save you. We'll just put a new connector on there and we'll try it.
You helped us last year. Last year it was really hot out, and we had those construction workers in the house. It was like, ugh.
Oh, really?
Remember? Yeah. They were all...
I put a second floor bathroom in the place at the time.
Yeah, you said something about I changed the condenser. It was a capacitor.
Yeah. Flux capacitor. I remember that.
I was thinking of automotive things, condensers are
From
used
Back
for,
to the
for
Future.
ignition.
Okay, and then that's the Herm. It should be there. Alright, go turn it on and we'll see what happens. It should work now. Hopefully.
It'd be nice if it's almost just that easy.
Yeah, I think so. I think it was that easy.
You're alright, Steve. I was wondering about
I'm alright,
this.
the world's all wrong. Huh?
This line here that takes the condensation and pumps it from inside.
Yeah, it's just dumping right there. See it? The condensation's just dumping outside. It's no big deal.
Okay.
That's
Me,
fine.
It kind of looked like it was moldy in there, but I guess
Well,
that's
that's
standard procedure.
yeah, probably. Oh, we're gonna pull the. Look at that, huh? Smooth and miracle worker. Good old fried there, see it?
Yeah.
Well, as long as we get it working for you, I mean, that's the main thing, right?
Yeah, that's it. Just, I like your style, Steve.
Keep it simple. Try to keep it simple.
Simple's always better.
Yeah, instead of making shit complicated. Guys would be out here with their tablet trying to sell you a new unit. So when they come out with their tablet, right, you better run for the hills. What was that?
She said it's blowing out cold air.
That's what we want.
Yep. You think it needs the fan to be checked, Steve?
Well, I'll give it a minute and we'll check.
Okay.
You change the filter inside?
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright. Give it a minute. We'll see. If it needs a charge, I can tell. I can tell just by
By all the years of working on these things.
how it's running and all that shit. It needs a... Feel the heat coming out of here. It's not a hot day right now.
Yeah.
We'll make sure the line's sweating coming out of it. You want a nice sweaty chick, you know? Coil don't look terrible. It's a big unit for this house, 5 tons. It's like, holy shit. See how this is getting all sweaty?
Yeah.
That's what you want to see.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, because it's refrigerant cooled. So the refrigerant's coming back cold. This is going out a little warm. We're warm coming out of here, so we're good. It's been cooling okay, then all of a sudden it just stopped cooling.
No, this is the first time we used it this year.
Okay.
And when we did it, like I said, I think we probably turned it off.
Yeah, if it's not working, you just shut it off. But you can see she's getting all sweaty. That's what you want. Looks like it's an 06. R22.
Just paying cash now, Steve?
Can if you want, yeah.